encoding grades. So in today's session, we are going to see about Chainmap. It is also one of the modules in the collections. So we will see about that. So we can also say that Chainmap is like a container because it will encapsulate or it will bind all the dictionaries into a single unit so that we can call it as a Chainmap. And we can also call it as a container, and those containers are called as a Chainmap. So this Chainmap is one of the member of the module called collections. So what are the operations which we are going to perform in Chainmap? Chainmap is two operations, that is access operations and manipulation operations we can do. So in the access operations, what we are going to do? So first operation is keys. So with the keys of this operation, what we will do is it will display all the keys, all the dictionaries in the Chainmap. All the keys it will display. And coming to the values, it will display all the values of all dictionaries in the Chainmap. So we know that dictionary is like a key and value pair, right? So with the keys you will display the keys, and with the values function you will display the values. Whereas maps, the help of maps, you can display the keys as well as the corresponding values. So let us see with a simple example of that key and values how it is going to perform all those things. So let me copy this. So we will import from the collections, because as I have told you that it is the collections module, I am going to import collections and I am giving the two dictionaries, DIC1 and DIC2, and here I am giving the value A1 and B2, B3 and C4. So you should observe that here I have given B2 and here I have given B3. So the same values I have, same keys I have given. So what it is going to do, you should observe that. So the next thing is I am initializing the Chainmap here like this, like chain equal to collections.chainmap. So from the collections I am using, and that's why I am using collections.chainmap of both the dictionaries. I am using DIC1 and DIC2. So next I am printing the maps. So chain.maps. So if I am using here maps, I will get both the keys and values, right? And next thing is I am here printing the keys. Next I am printing the values. So here I will get the both keys and values. Here I will get only keys, and here I will get only values. So now let us see the output. What we will get with the help of this. So see here, with the help of map we got it as A1, B2, B3, C4. All the dictionaries we got. All the keys and values we got, right? And next, coming to the keys, you should observe that you are getting only one B. But we are having two B's here, right? So it will take only one B. And even for the value, you will get only the first value only. It will take only first value. If you are giving here 3, so now let us see here. I will give here like 5, and here I am going to give 3 as it is. So you will see that you will get only 5 because it will take only the first value. So see here, you are getting only 5. So the dictionary, if you are having 2 B's or n number of B's or n number of double entries, it will take only the first entry. Dictionary will take only the first entry. This is how the key accessing, we can access the keys, values and map. Next we can see how to manipulate the manipulation operations. We will see how to manipulate the Chainmap. So to manipulate the Chainmap, here we will go with manipulation operations that are, first one is newchild. So newchild and reverse, these are the two manipulation operations. If you want to keep a new child, if you want to add a new child, so with this operation, with this method, you can add a new child, and it will add at the beginning of your Chainmap. The new dictionary can add at the beginning of the Chainmap. You can also reverse the Chainmap by using reverse method. So these are the two operations which we can perform for the chain map. So let us see with a simple example. Here I have given a simple example. So we can manipulate, we can add a new child, we can manipulate operations. So here I have imported the collections and I have given 3 dictionaries. So I am initializing 3 dictionaries. But here I am using 2 dictionaries only. I am initializing the chain map. I am using only 2 dictionaries. After that, because we should know the difference before insertion and before adding the new child and after adding the new child. That's why I have given here initializing 2 child maps. Initializing 2 dictionaries here. And after that, I'm printing here maps. Key, it will print both the keys and values. And then here I'm adding the new child. So what is this new child? New child is DIC3. DIC3 is this new dictionary. So with this new child, it will add this dictionary at the beginning of your dictionary, beginning of the chain map, right? So let us see in the output how it will come. And then here I'm printing chain1.maps. So after adding, I have initialized with, I've given this with chain1, right? So here I'm giving chain1.maps. That means all the 3 we will get. And then value associated with P before reversing. Before reversing is like before values you will get. B value before is, what is their first value? It is 2. If I reverse that, what you will get? B value, you will reverse it. So you will get the 3 here. So after reversing, you will get n equal to what? After reversing, you will get the value as chain1 of B is 3 like this. So now let us see the output. What we will get? Our estimation is correct or wrong in the analysis. So here I have given 2 dictionaries, DIC1 and DIC2. So I got 2 dictionaries. And I am displaying the new chain map here. And displaying the new chain map, chain1.maps. So here I got F1, F is 5, right? Because I have added the new child here and I am accessing chain1.map. So I got new child at the beginning of the chain map. And then value associated with B before reversing is 2. Before reversing is 2. And after reversing it will go up and then we will get dash 3. This is how the manipulation operations and access, we can also access and we can also manipulate the chain maps. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.